Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Vina Humaira, and I'm from law major from Class A. So I'm here to present my assignment for the session 7. How to collect fingerprints that found at the scene of crime. So basically, as we all know that police will collect fingerprints from the crime scene to identify the suspect or any other witness. And there are three major of fingerprints. The first one is latent, the second one is patent, and the third one is impressed fingerprints. And the general material that usually used by police and forensic is a magnifying glass and polylight system. And the procedures to collect fingerprints is kinda a little bit complicated. I'm gonna read that for you. The first one is you can dip your brush carefully into the cocoa or baby powder. Only the tips of the bristles should be covered with powder. And then tap the brush to remove any excess powder. After that, you can gently sweep the brush carefully over the area where the fingerprint was found. Make sure to not apply too much pressure so that you do not wipe the print away. If necessary, add more powder to the brush, but be careful not to add too much. The third one is when you are done, gently blow off excess powder from the surface and check your result. And the last one you can do is use a piece of clear tape and carefully press the tape down onto the surface on top of the developed fingerprint. And peel the tape off and transfer the fingerprint onto a piece of paper. Okay, I guess that's enough. A little bit explanation about how to collect fingerprints on the crime scene. And I'm sorry if there's any mistake, and thank you so much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.